and welcome back to my channel. Okay, we've got some good news. Things go well, fingers crossed. We should be able to have things opening up and back to normal, which means I can go to my lash tech because I miss them. I feel like an egg without them. However, I have been attempting to try doing false lashes and I remember why I get lash extensions. It's impossible. Now I come across this FALSCARA by Kiss. I saw this on TikTok, not gonna lie. It looked easy. It looked really easy, and I don't know if that's because the lashes have like been cut up into like little individual sections, but also you put the glue on your lash and you stick it underneath instead of on top, so it looks more like a lash extension. We shall see how this goes. It looked promising. The girl made it look so easy, but then again, she probably can do lash strips really easily too. So the Kiss FALSCARA, I believe this is the starter pack. I believe you can get the things individually, but because I wanted like the lash like sticky thing, tweezer thing as well, I believe this came to about £25. I got this in Superdrug. Can also get it on Amazon, I think maybe even for slightly cheaper. It says if you can mascara, you can FALSCARA. They have so much faith in me. So it says you brush the bond part, because you've got a bond and a seal, so you brush the bond part onto your lashes, then you stick the wispy lash underneath, and then you lock it in with a seal. It seemed promising. Says no clumps, no smudges, no strips, no damage, no mistakes. When mascara isn't enough, you love the look of lash extensions, you don't want to deal with strip lashes. Now I didn't put any mascara onto my lash because I didn't know if I was meant to, so I didn't do that. So it says the wisps are designed with a micro band and feather light fibers to be applied easily, seamlessly and comfortably under the natural lashes. So it says brush the light coat of bond on natural lashes, a little goes a long way. Then use the included FALSCARA applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray as shown. Pick up a wisp from the middle outer end of the optimal control and application. One by one, gently place the wisp underneath the base of your natural lashes, slightly away from the waterline. Dab on a thin coat of seal under wisp. This final touch eliminates any sticky residue and holds FALSCARA wisps in place. Okay, so there's some extra bits under here. So it says pro tips. Apply starting from the outer corner of the lash line, working inwards or vice versa. Be sure to place wisps right next to each other for a seamless look. If needed, use the applicator or your fingers to squeeze the wisp against your natural lashes. To prolong the life of your applicator and wisps, after use, wipe off any bond residue with rubbing alcohol or remover. With gentle care, wisps are reusable. So it says how to remove them is to take a cotton pad and saturate with remover. What is remover? Place over eyes, hold for 10 seconds to let remover work in magic. Gently wipe away to remove wisp and bond and seal. Repeat if necessary. It says remover. Infuse with soothing rose water. Oh no. Oh no. I think remover was something I was meant to buy. And I have not. But I'm just gonna use normal remover. I'm pretty sure like an oil base would remove it just as well, right? I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but that's what the lashes look like. So as you can see, they've been cut up into, is that 4 or 5? Can't count from here. Sections. This is the different bond and the sealer, and obviously this is the applicator. So it says to put the bond. Oh, it's so tiny! Like, look how tiny that little brush is. And then just coat the lashes, but a little goes a long way. Oh, it's got some sort of colour because I've just got it onto my thing. I thought it was clear. Oh no, it's black because now I've got black dots. We're gonna have to just leave that. Just so you know, it's not clear. I thought it would be clear. It doesn't say to leave it tacky or anything, like to leave it. So which one is meant to be for who? They all look the same. Oh my god, I can feel it sticking. I don't know how to use the applicator. I'm gonna be, oh crap, I've dropped the freaking lash. This is hard. But you said it would be easy. Right, I'm gonna try the other side. I'm gonna go from the other end. This is not easier at all. I think I've got 2 on now. Do you know what? It's actually kind of easier doing it with your fucking hands. There is a chance we might be getting the hang of things. No, I should probably zoom you in. Hi. Okay, look up. Look under. Under. Did I do it? I'm not gonna lie though, it does look like extensions. There was a bit of a gap here, not gonna lie, when I was like, I kind of did it a bit wrong. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, like, you can see, it's not seamless at all. I don't think from like afar you could be able to tell. Like, can you tell that I messed it up slightly? Or does it just look like I got really bad extensions? Hold on, I don't know. I'm going to do the other one. I'm just annoyed with the glue that I've gotten everywhere. They're selling next door and I think I hear kids. So I could potentially be having kids next door. Okay, I'm making sure to get right near to the, obviously, I'll put myself near to the lash line. Did that stick on? Oh, it did. I thought I lost it. First one. That was actually kind of easier. They got that easier. I think we'll get into the swing of things. Oh. Oh. We're doing it, Peter. We're doing it. I think what I did with the other one, I think I was focusing too much like mascara, like putting it on like the lashes, whereas obviously this one you need to focus a lot more like by the waterline. They don't look too bad, I don't think. From a distance, I think they look alright. I mean, they definitely look like extensions. And especially, I guess, in a pandemic, I can be like, oh, they just look bad because obviously, like, lockdown. Alright, I'm gonna put the seal on now. I think I've definitely done it the wrong way round, but they all look the same. What do I think? I mean, from a distance, I don't know what it's like on camera, but definitely in person, it definitely looks like lash extensions. Doesn't look like strips at all. These are obviously very natural looking. They're not so in your face. So if you don't like the natural look, you probably might not like this. I mean, this eye did become a lot easier once they were starting to like stick a lot quicker. It wasn't as fiddly, but yeah, you definitely have to focus the glue a lot more on the lash line, like at the bottom of the lashes, instead of, you know how you would with mascara, like you'd focus more on like the proper lash, wouldn't you? That's what I was doing, which I think is why this one was a lot more fiddlier. I don't know if that's the right word, but I feel like that's why this one was a lot more like that, because I wasn't focusing on where you would be putting obviously the lash band, which is obviously as close to the bottom of the lashes as you could. But I'll see how they wear. They're so lightweight, it doesn't even feel like I've got lashes on. They're not irritating, they're not like pointy. You know how sometimes, don't know if that's just because I can't do them, the lash band kind of like digs into your eyeball. Like, not getting anything like that. They do feel like I've got lash extensions on. But what do you think? I feel like it's something that could go very quick if you get the hang of. I think that's the same with like normal lashes though, like lash strips. Once you know, you can do it so quickly. Sometimes I was finding it easy just to use my hands and applicator, but I think that's because I've never used an applicator before. So that's probably why I was just not knowing what the hell I was doing. So yeah, we'll just have to see how it goes. I'll film at the end of the day because I am actually going outside as well. I am going for a walk, so I'm going to then see how it survives the outside world as well. I reckon though you'll be able to use this though, because it's just the type of glue, isn't it? So I reckon if you can get one of those like thin band lashes and you cut them up into sections, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to use this with any kind of lash. So if you wanted maybe more of a dramatic look or whatever. But I feel like after some practice, I mean, I started to get the hang of things just with this eye, and obviously this is my first time. So I'm pretty sure after maybe a few tries, this would be so easy to do. And especially if you like the more natural extension look but don't want to go through the damage of, well, basically lash extensions, because trust me, you will get addicted and it does become damaging. But so far I actually really like it, but I'll let you know how they wear and if I get any irritation or whatever by the end of the day. Did I do a bad thing and fall asleep in my clothes and makeup last night. Yes, I did. I am guilty of that, and I'm kind of annoyed because I was doing so well with like my skincare routine, and I've gone and ruined it by sleeping with my makeup. But at least now we get to truly know how the lashes last. Now yesterday they were completely fine, didn't fall off, didn't have to re-glue, they wasn't like hanging off on like the corners like they sometimes come away, didn't irritate my eyes. I completely forgot I even had them on, to be honest. So yeah, for an everyday use, I think they're really good. And I think with a bit of practice, because it is a bit fiddly, they would be great. But I feel like after maybe the second, third try max, you'll be able to get the hang of them. Now, obviously I fell asleep in them. Now, all the lashes did stay on, apart from one, which was, it was just hanging off, like I could see it in my vision when I woke up. So it didn't lose it in the bed, so I've just taken it off and I put it onto the side. So they all lasted through a night's sleep as well. So maybe, you know, if you was to wear them on a night out and you met somebody, they could potentially last throughout the night. There, now it's time to take them off anyway. It said that I needed that special thing, didn't it? But can't I just peel them off? Oh yeah, I think so, look. There we go. There's 1, 3. I'm also checking, by the way, to see if any of my natural lashes are coming off with them like extensions would. Interesting. I seem to have hit a snag. Oh no, I got one. Okay, I've got to just like try pick it from the bottom. It's a good thing I don't get grossed out by my eye, you know. Okay, so I don't actually think you need the special glue, and I'm pretty sure if I was to use oil, it would have the same effect. The only difference is now, obviously the glue's on my lash. But overall, I do really like them, and I feel like if I was to find, I'm pretty sure Kiss also does like other like lashes that are like the thin one, because I'm guessing the thin base is the key to put it underneath your lash, because obviously you can't really put a thick one underneath there. So I'm pretty sure it's the same kind of concept. You just chop them up and then use it. I'm pretty sure it would work for any other lashes. I'll definitely be using it again. But yeah, actually I recommend this. This went really well, and I love the look. I did feel like I love the feel of them. Yeah, I'm glad that it worked, because I was a drama getting this package. We won't get into detail, but it was a drama trying to get this package. But yeah, would recommend definitely trying out if 1, you're missing your extensions, or 2, you'd like the look of extensions but without committing to it. Now I am now going to remove this makeup before I do any more damage to my skin. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if there's anything else you would like me to try out, please comment down below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and I shall see you next time. Bye!